Wait, you're better than this. Join us. Use your powers for good.
Heads up.
Be a superhero.
Listen, the day I decided to be a crime-fighting shit whistler, who rules a bunch of other whiners at another dimension of some creepy, old, bald, heaven skate-looking motherfucker. On third day, I'll send you shiny hobby as a friend request. But on then, I'm gonna do what I came to do. Might do that, or slap the pitch out of you.
Hey,
Zibich Nate,
hey, douche pool.
and I hope you're watching.
Quite unfortunate.